Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another tutorial. Today I will back with you uh, expense tracker dashboard using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and chart.js. Responsive, attractive, modern UI and UI UX coloring with module flow, everything. Zero code, everything. I will write to ChatGPT with some prompts. No extra prompt. Here some highlight script. Assalamu alaikum, welcome. Subscribe my channel Code with Sami Ubedi, and here link in my profile link. Follow me. Description available link in GitHub. This project available free openly. As first. In this project making, first I write this prompt and ChatGPT I ask give me 5 website project idea using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then who will suggest me some names. Then I see which one are best. Then we'll make a asking to write a code here. Yeah, copy that and then subscribe me. Without wasting, go to site ChatGPT. I also search. Yeah, let's make to give me 5 website project. I think completed but no issue. That's AI. You will everything understand. You will not see sentence or anything. He will. ChatGPT is most powerful AI tool in this on surface. First, he will suggest first portfolio website with dynamic theme, but already I created this project. To-do list, quiz app, expense tracker. That's let's see. It will mean something good. This one is good. Let's I copy that. Then I ask more detail about this. What will done this? Okay, follow this my all steps. Then he will create a new project. All three. There's waiting to response. Let's see. Yes, HTML for structure, CSS for styling, JavaScript for logic, and chart.js. And pie and bar chart show you in footer. Here see here pie for this. Write another prompt for making a responsive and tracking build anything. This prompt will what I want, what will add. Let's see, build one by one code all and footer structure and foot nav, responsive UI, modern coloring and copyright. My name CodewithSami 2025. And developer detail section also be adds, hence detail online. Some keywords are also measured. This is mine. You will add your keywords. Sami jo Sami Ubedi, Code with Sami Ubedi, Sami Ubedi. Subscribe me. That's my social media platform and website name, anything, portfolio, everything are this names. My let's see what will he create. I use Pilot OS. That's the reason my screen record every time is tricky in left side. Let's see. He will give me a natural issue. Okay, let's open. Why will show me okay, write one by one code cause he write one by one code keyboard show what it here one by one COT what keywords. Let's stop, then I write, then that's good. Write one by one code files and review all instruction, new folder structure, and then code will write. Let's see how we'll build this prompt. Well, that's good. You're working this prompt, you're done. Let's go to first step, folder structure. He will show me expand structure dashboard here, index of HTML, style of CSS, script.js, chart.man.js, and assets. Let's go. Project features. That's in this project available, add income and filtering, visualization, response, everything here. You will write first step. You want to create index.html and structures. We are done our file structure and icons files, and let's see what next. Review first. Good. Yes, here you are working on backend with from index.html. We will build properly. Here done. Index.html I will copy, then paste on. You will see, yes, structure. Okay, and first step, write code, everything. Why here index.html I will paste here. Let's right click here. I will work CDN. Why? Okay, CDN are doing external library like a bootstrap and JavaScript. Any other you will use, you want to maybe show you CDN links. Next, just I want to write this. Next he will properly, you want will give you code, everything here. Style.css he will create properly, then style.css. Subscribe me on channel, LinkedIn link available in bio, channel bio, and maybe description. Look, this right next, then he will write script.js. That's next. He will done handling logic and local storage, chart.js, everything will combine like it, but I separate that chart.man.js. No issue, I will delete this. Let's see what will work. Wow, superb. Your code syntax are so pretty. Hoping desktop here, more file handling. Okay, he will show One more file needed, chart.js. Nice, alright, next he will write properly. Next project will be create e-commerce project, admin panel and front back, everything local database, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Python and JSON files. And he will oh pity, I will test that. Expand tracker dashboard, add entry, I will also test this. That's the reason he will show our expense, income and any other ones. Here I add income, salary and month. I'll write randomly date, expense and everything. Here income, and then he will show balance or increase. There's right expense with name of brand. How maybe I will continue this project, then some next days I will add this project in Python, only have Java with, maybe I use backend like, and here see, wow, super transaction history will show. I was shocked, like just see filtering expense random age January. Let's see. Ooh, filtering are working. Let's summary here. This one is pie chart. Pie chart are like a pizza shape, and this is maybe I think label chart. This one is label chart. I make a label chart, pie chart, everything, data cleaning, data manipulation, Python. But you are working on JavaScript. Here I add salary. One day must income it. Here see, super. Here incomes, expenses are not showing. Super. Here see, expense bar are so small. Here. Let's see. Let's subscribe me and support me on LinkedIn, social media. Follow me